our Archi view. Within this 6.4, there's a 5 sub-parties. It's including panning, user using keyboard to control navigation, and auto scrolling, zooming. That is the find and replace. So with that is you can find some the alternative those tactics to handle this diagramming or views navigation. But after all, is that is some information skills. However, if you use one of the way to support your navigation is easily already is you just need to find those as some the information focus. So first, let's go to open a view. So let's elaborate those part one by one. So that is here. So in this panning, so first is what is a panning? So if I open one view, so you may see here is that select the first selection. So like this one. So select, click somewhere on your view to give it focus, and then hold the space bar. So you can see the cursor is changed to hand, and you can pan the view. So pan the view means is if you move your cursor to almost reaching the edge, then you can pan. Why is nothing happened? Is because your view is not beyond this screen. So now it's because you cannot see. Let's see, you cannot see whole view. So hold space, change to hands, then move. You need to move to certain parts. But why is nothing happened? You need to hold your left button. So now as I hold my mouse, that is moving. So if you don't hold your mouse, let me see here. So first is I click, then go to here. Let's wait a little bit. Nothing happened. Oh, I click here. Click somewhere. So maybe it's my order is wrong. So first, don't hold space. Let's follow this. Click somewhere, hold space, move to somewhere, change, and you can find the view. That is not the panning. When I click, when I do the testing, it was working. So let me put this pose. Oh, it's I mislead this by these 5 parts. That is the auto scrolling. So actually, panning is just like hold your mouse to drag. So if I don't hold this space bar, then when I make the left button to drag, hold button to drag, you will have some selection area. But when you click somewhere and then now I hold the bar, then this when it's actually this moving is called the panning. So now is you can move your the space and the area that you can see. But you may see here is that I also have our tab called outlining. So it's this one. So you can open that and close that. This is already the same effect for panning. So you can drag from here and also pan for that. Let's go for further. So keyboard is if you want to move object, like if I want to move this one, you will use your keyboard period. So look at this, I put this period. So then that is coming to this move. Now is I can use the up and down. So like it's up and down. So left and right. So once you finish, is just enter. Then that is just manually move by mouse by keyboard. If you want to do this resize, then you can also keep this period. So press 1 is move. Press second is this resize on the top edge. So now you can make this one, then enter. That is resize on this vertical or horizontal size, and you can keep. Third, next one is this right edge, bottom edge, left edge. So you can do those every time. Is you just keep that, and further is you have those corner. So like those, then you can make that, and it will just turn with this same order again. If you don't want this as the specific size, is click this and make the default size again. So that's the using the keyboard. Auto scrolling is what I'm trying to bother those myself. Is you may find a concept to uh, make some auto scrolling. So to do that is click some source like is the if you make a this relationship. I want to connect business actor to business object, but I cannot see that business object now. So using this one and click the source and then the hover this mouse at the edge. So drag that. You can see go to the almost go to the edge and they will auto stroll strolling. So like let me do this again. So I want to link this web interface to this business actor. So click that, hold your mouse, go to almost the edge, then that is auto scrolling. Then you can find your target, make a trigger, for example. So that is this auto. Zooming is you can hold control, then this use your this middle my middle mouse has scroll the wheel, so you can use the wheel to make this zoom. Or you can have some assigned shortcut key. LO is there's also zoom combo box. So let me see here. Is those one in the menu, and you can see zoom in. So you can have those ones, so you can keep making those zoom in, zoom out. Find and replace is also accept those replace on the view by in a view by name. So for here is the if I go to the find and replace. So find that is forward select that is nothing is grouping is to this my grouping. So just find is find here, and is change if you want to replace is also change on this model tree. So that is the same effect. So with that is we have this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different the way to navigate. Sorry to take a little more minute about the panning. So I hope is you also find out this panning way. So space space. Oh, so Y is select here space, then panning. So that is the panning. So with that is finish this 6.4. Next one is we will starting to look at palette. Is this one. Bye for now.